Hi guys, welcome back to the Math Empire channel. So guys, in this video we are going to be solving an expression. This is the expression we are given to solve. So let's solve it together. We are asked to solve 1.28 times 10 raised to the power 4 divided by 6.4 times 10 raised to the power. The key rule to remember is when dividing numbers in standard form, first divide the numbers in front, this number in front and this. That is the first thing we have to do. We divide the numbers in front. Then the second one, we subtract the power of 10. Since they are the same base, we subtract it. Okay guys, let's solve so that you see how we subtracted the power and see how we calculated everything. So let's solve it together guys. Step 1. Divide the numbers in the front. I've mentioned that earlier. So we divide 1.28 divided by 6.4. If you divide this, it will give you 0.2. When we are done dividing the numbers, the second step is for us to subtract the powers. Okay, now let's bring out the powers in each of the brackets. The first one, 10 raised to power 4 divided by 10 raised to power 2. Now, according to laws of indices, when we have the same base and we are asked to divide, we subtract the power. So we have, this gives us 10 raised to power 4 minus 2, which is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. The third step is for us to combine everything. That is the third step. The third step, you combine everything, both the first step and the second, what we got in the first step and what we got in the second one. So we combine everything. We have 0.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2. 0.2, which is the first one, 10 raised to power 2, which is the second one. Then we multiply it. Now, this is correct, but it is not yet in standard form. If you check from our question, if we are asked to pick the correct option, and if you check here, the answers are in standard form. So you will not leave it this way. Now, let's proceed further. That is the first step now to take. Step 4. The first step to take is for us to convert what we have here to a standard form. And for us to convert this to a standard form, 0.2 times 10 raised to power 2. Now, standard form must have one number before the decimal point. Please take note. Standard form must have one number before the decimal point. If you check, this is 0. So there is no number before the decimal point. So what are we going to do? We carry the decimal point from the left to the right. So once we shift it, we have 2.0 times 10 raised to power. Now, another key point you should take note is that once we are taking the decimal point from the left to right, it is negative, and it's only one step we took, which is minus 1 multiplied by the power given. So if we multiply it, then multiply everything together, we have 2 times 10. Now, according to laws of indices, when you are given the same base and you are asked to multiply, you add the power. If we add minus 1 plus 2, it will give us what? 1. So our final answer is 2 times 10 raised to power 1. That is our answer. Now let's go back to the option given and see whether we have any answer like that. So now our answer is C, and C is the correct answer. So guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any class. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.